Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Robinhood Gold card. First, you need to be an active Robinhood Gold member. This is a crucial first step for eligibility. Additionally, you must maintain a minimum of $5,000 in your Robinhood brokerage account. It's also important to ensure your account is in good standing, with no outstanding issues or flags. Meeting these initial requirements sets you up for the next stage of the application process. Once you meet the eligibility criteria, the next step is to apply directly through the Robinhood app. Navigate to the Gold Card section, usually found within your account settings or a dedicated promotions area. Carefully fill out the digital application form, providing all requested personal and financial details accurately. After reviewing everything, submit your completed application. Robinhood will then process your request and notify you of their decision. The Robinhood Gold Card offers several compelling benefits. You can earn 3% cash back on all eligible purchases, which adds up quickly. For those who travel, there's an even better perk. Receive 5% cash back on travel booked directly through Robinhood. Plus, you'll appreciate that there are no annual fees to worry about, nor any foreign transaction fees when you use your card internationally. These features make it a strong contender for your wallet. Managing your Robinhood Gold Card is simple and convenient, all within the Robinhood app. You can easily track your spending, monitor your rewards, and view your statements anytime. To ensure you never miss a payment, consider setting up automatic payments for your balance. This helps maintain a good financial standing and avoids late fees. Also, for those who love to read, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals we've found for you. It's a fantastic way to enjoy your favorite books anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.